and continue even though your app is suspended. So like I said, this is what is all about the background task. Briefly, I'm trying to inform you a little bit about it to, sort of give you a brief idea about what all you can do. Probably we can have some other sessions later on, or somebody else can have a detailed session about them if you really are very interested in all these terms. But for now, briefly, we have understood what splash screen and importance of them are. We've understood that Windows 8 in Windows 8 and 8.1 system controls the life cycle of your application. And we have seen this thing, background tasks. Now let's move forward and understand the RTC application, which is real-time communication applications. What are RTC applications? Well, if you have noticed, there are certain applications which give you information in the real time. Like as soon as you open up your Windows 8 or 8.1 laptop or desktop, in the start screen itself, you can see the lock screen applications, right? Lock screen applications, if you have pinned down certain applications, they'll give you the data, the notification or information upfront, like how many messages you have received, how much battery is there, if your laptop is receiving a Wi-Fi or not, how many mails have you received. So basically, what happens for the real-time communication application are, first thing, they have some code which runs periodically, or they have they run certain piece of code in reaction to certain events which are happening. We'll see about it in like a little later, but let's see diagrammatically how these run. So running application have background task execution, then you move ahead and have another background task execution when the app is suspended, which is another event, and then finally when there's low in the memory, again when the system is low in memory, again the piece of code runs in the background forms. This is what the life cycle. This is what is the life cycle of a RTC application, which is little different than the normal life cycle of an application, because in normal application there are no background task execution according to the state of the application, but in RTC there is. So like I said, lock screen application is an RTC application where app can run in the background, which is designed for a real-time communication of the application. The code has to either run periodically, or it runs in response to system events, like when user logs in. Let's say you log into your device, and suddenly you log into your device and a piece of code runs and fetches all the information about the applications that are displayed in the lock screen and gives you the data. How cool would that be, right? So yeah, so that's what I mean, that it in response to certain system events. On the screen at one time,